Can I search for an invoice number based on a specific date, customer name, or product, service?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to tackle an important aspect of managing your finances, locating invoices. Specifically, we'll be learning how to search for an invoice number based on various details, such as a specific date, a customer's name, or a product or service. This can be particularly useful when dealing with a large number of invoices or when trying to track specific transactions.
Can I search for an invoice number using a specific date?
Yes, you certainly can. Most financial or accounting software provides a feature that allows you to search for an invoice based on a specific date. In general, you can locate this feature in the invoice or transactions section of the software. Here's how it typically works. 1. Open the invoice or transaction section. 2. Find the search bar or filter options. 3. Select or enter the specific date you are interested in. 4. The system should then display all invoices created on that date.
Can I search for an invoice number using a customer's name?
Absolutely. The ability to search invoices based on a customer's name is a standard feature in most financial systems. It is quite similar to searching by date. Here's a general step-by-step guide. 1. Navigate to the invoice or transaction section. 2. Find the search bar or filter options. 3. Enter the customer's name in the appropriate field. 4. The system will then show all invoices associated with that customer.
Can I search for an invoice number using a product or service?
Yes, you can. Many finance systems allow you to search for invoices based on the product or service that was sold. This is especially useful if you need to track the sales of a specific product or service. Follow these steps. 1. Go to the invoice or transaction section. 2. Find the search bar or filter options. 3. Enter the product or service in the designated field. 4. The system will then display all invoices containing that product or service. In conclusion, most financial and accounting systems allow you to search for invoices using various details such as date, customer name, or product, service. The exact method may vary slightly based on the specific system you are using, but the general steps remain the same. We hope this video has been helpful, and you're now more confident in managing your invoices. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.